Hi there, this is a short video on a question that I've been asked from the etext, page 251, question 3. And what it says is this. It says solve, and it looks quite complicated. 3 over s plus 2 over t equals 11, and solve it simultaneously with negative 7 over s minus 5 over t equals negative 26. And if you take it like that, it actually looks quite difficult, but you're given a hint. You're given the hint that says let x equal 1 over s and y equal 1 over t. Now if you make those substitutions and you just remember a little bit about fractions, then equation 1 becomes 3 times 1 over s, which is 3x, plus 2 times 1 over t, which becomes 2y, equals 11. And the second equation becomes negative 7x minus 5 times 1 over t, which is 5y, and that equals negative 26. Okay, give them names, and from there you can just proceed as normal. If you multiply number 3, equation 3 by 5, you get 15x plus 10y equals 55. Give it a name. And if you multiply equation 4 by 2, you get negative 14x minus 10y equals negative 52. Give it a name. And then straightforwardly add equation 5 to equation 6, and you get that x equals 3. Substitute that into any of the other ones, say 15 into 5. That's stage 5 times 3 plus 10y equals 55. So y equals 10y equals 10, y equals 1. Now of course that's not the answer to the question. X equals 1 over s, and if x equals 3, then s is equal to 1 over 3. And if y is equal to 1 over t, and we said that y was equal to 1, then t also must be 1.